Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher, Nancy Pandey. So, students, today I am going to teach you a new chapter number 8, that is Things Around Us. You know that there are many things around us. Some are living and some are non living. Let's learn about them. So, students, in this chapter, you will learn about natural things, man made things, and different types of materials. So, students, before starting the chapter, let's do this short activity or exercise which is given in the first page. Look at the pictures given below. Now take the correct answer. So, students, look at these pictures. Picture number A is of cat and picture number B is of book. So tell me, who can eat food, cat or book? So here our correct answer is cat. So you have to tick cat. Okay, now let's come to the second one. Which of the two can breathe air? So, students, look at this picture. The first one is flower and second one is rock. So, who can breathe air? Our flower. So option number A is correct. You have to tick the option number A. Now let's come to the question number 3rd. Which of the two can move on its own? So students, look at this picture. The first one is dog and the second one is pillow. So our correct answer is option number A. So you have to tick the option number A, that is dog. Now let's come to the question number 4. Which of the two can grow bigger? So look at both picture. The first one is girl and second one is ball or so the correct answer is option number A, that is girl. So you have to tick the option number A. Now let's come to the topic things are divided into natural and man-made things. So let's learn about natural things. Things such as air, water, plants, animals, rocks, and soil, which are found in nature, are called natural things. They are not made by man are called natural things. Things around us are either natural or man-made. So students, things such as air, water, plants, animals, rocks and soil which are not made by man and are found in nature are called natural things. Natural things can be either living or non-living. Natural things such as plants and animals are called living things because they can grow, breathe and reproduce. Natural things like rock, water, mountain, soil, etc. are natural things, but they do not have life on them. Thus, these are called non-living things. Our clothes too are made of different natural materials such as cotton, silk, wool, or from man-made fibers such as a rayon. So students, in this topic you study the definition of natural things. So what is natural things? Things such as air, water, plants, animals which are found in nature and not made by man are called natural things. And natural things can be either living or non-living, like animals, insects, birds and plants are natural living things, and the other things like mountain, water, air, soil, these are also natural things, but they all are non-living things because they do not have life on them. So students, I hope you understand the natural things by this video. We will learn about man-made things in our next video. So you have to do the activity of first page and you have to read the topic natural things, and you have to learn all the example of natural things, either living or non-living. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you students. Bye and take care.